Ever wondered why your life feels like a never-ending race, marked by stress and constant burnout? Welcome to the fast life, the lifestyle of overwhelming chaos that we all know and love. It's a world where we wear busyness like a badge of honor. And if you're not multitasking, you're just not doing enough. Oh, the sweet symphony of 1,000 notifications. Each one pulling us in a different direction, yet we wouldn't have it any other way. It's the fast life, after all. And let's not forget about the fast lane we're racing down, where every moment is a competition and there's no time to stop and smell the roses. In this realm, being busy is the way of life. Does this sound like you? Let us know by subscribing and leaving a comment below. We're always on the move, always connected, always doing something. We're living life at breakneck speed with no signs of slowing down. But why? In our digital age, disconnecting seems like a crime, right? Picture this. There you are, surrounded by a symphony of notifications. Your phone, laptop, and smartwatch are all clamoring for your attention. It's a technological tornado, and you, my friend, are right in the eye of the storm. Now let's not forget the art of multitasking. Why do one thing when you can do 3 or 4 or 5? Juggling emails while on a conference call, scrolling through social media during dinner, watching TV while working out. The possibilities are endless. It's like a circus act, and you're the star performer. But let's pause for a moment. Is this whirlwind of activity the key to fulfillment, or is it just a fast track to burnout? There's a crazy lifestyle floating around about slow living and minimalism. Sounds boring, doesn't it? Who needs clean lines and empty spaces when you could fill your life with stuff? Stuff is fun. Stuff is exciting. After all, the more clutter you have, the more there is to distract you from the yawning void of existence. But don't stop with just physical clutter. Why not clutter up your mind too? Fill it with buzzing thoughts, swirling to-do lists, and a constant barrage of worries. It's like having a party in your head all the time. And let's not forget about stress. Oh, sweet stress. The racing heart, the sweaty palms, the inability to sleep at night. It's exhilarating, isn't it? It's like being on a roller coaster that never ends. But what's the real cost of this fast-paced lifestyle? So, you've conquered the chaos, mastered multitasking, and embraced the digital tornado. But are you really winning? Now imagine a character, let's call them Alex, who's living life in the fast lane. Alex is always on the go, always plugged in, always busy. But beneath the surface, Alex is burnt out, frustrated, exhausted. The fast-paced life promised so much, yet it feels like it's taking more than it's giving. Perhaps it's time to consider a different path. Here's the ironic twist. Fast living leads to an inevitable crash and burn. When you're stuck in the fast lane, every day is a blur. You're racing through life, but for what? A burnout? A crash? We've spent so much time glorifying the hustle, the grind, the constant busyness. But what if, just for a moment, we considered the alternative? What if we embraced the simplicity, the calmness, the mindfulness of slow living? Hit the like button if you agree. So, is it worth racing through life only to crash at the end? Or is it time to embrace the art of slow living? If you're suffering from burnout, try watching our video, Simple Steps Towards Slow Living. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.